elaborate on the Supreme Court decision. I want to clarify some things. I don't want to really make a lot of comment on it. First of all, the Supreme Court decision was over 100 pages long. We will not be seeing the full extent of it for a while. But if you had a friend that got a job somewhere and they were running the cashier, and you went up to them and say, I want to borrow some money. I need $200. And he says, sure. And he opens up the cash register and gives you $200. What happens to him?
He gets fired.
That's not his money, right?
That's
No,
right.
that's money
All
worth
right. He got his hand caught in the wrong cookie jar.
Right.
The Supreme Court decision had nothing to do about abortion. Really? That's true. It is about the federal government had their hand in the wrong cookie jar. It is the state that licensed doctors. It is the state that licensed hospitals. It is the state that we get driver's license from. It is the state that we lawyers are licensed by. And all it is, the Supreme Court decision says, it is the state that's supposed to be making this decision, not the federal government. In Mississippi, where the original case came from, there will still be doing abortions in Mississippi. They will only have 18 days to do it. 18 days, because the Mississippi law is called the heartbeat law. And when the baby has its own blood, did you know that? The blood of the baby is different than the mother. Did you know that? And when the baby has its own blood circulating and its heartbeat working, that is when the Mississippi law says no more, because it's it's a baby with its own heartbeat and its own blood. So what is going to happen at this point, every state's going to be different. And the majority of the states in the United States will still allow abortion. New York is one of them. As a matter of fact, New York is wanting to become a haven for people to come here and do abortion. But I'm just trying to clarify this because a lot of people think that the Supreme Court did away with abortion. No, they did not. All they did is said the federal government put their hand in the wrong cookie jar. And it's the state's authority, and it really affects other things other than abortion. And there will probably be a lot of other cases. That's one reason why it was over 100 pages long. And I don't know anyone that has read the whole thing. I haven't read the whole thing. And I probably won't read the whole thing because it's legal needs, but there will probably be cases trying to clarify it for him on out. But it affects a lot of different things. And it is about the federal government is restricted by the Constitution, and some things are allowed to the state and not to the federal government by the Constitution. That's what the court case was about.
And you put it up, put your hand in the right cookie jar.
Yeah, those verses were.
While I went in front of him. He yelled about it.
I can't remember which way it was. All right.
That was all over Facebook.
No, it doesn't matter. But